Hello, Mr. Misiga.
Hi.
First, please, could you introduce yourself?
Well, I'm head of unit at DG Environment. DG Environment is the environmental department of European Commission. I'm responsible for implementation of sustainable consumption and production action plan there, or part of it related to products. We are dealing with voluntary policies, voluntary instruments like eco-label, environmental management systems, green public procurement and similar ones.
Why did you come to this summit?
Product carbon footprinting is really a new theme for us. We have been working on eco-label. We recently revised eco-label regulation, and we would like to introduce the issue of carbon footprint into this eco-labeling scheme. So it is very interesting for us to see what other stakeholders, what industry, what other legislators in member states, etc., what they think about the idea. And it seems that what we are doing is not the only possibility. You know, there are many other approaches. So I think that we will have to reflect following this discussion here. We will have to reflect whether our approach is good or not. So it's a sort of learning experience here also for us.
Okay. What were the highlights so far? Did you really had a big surprise?
Yeah, there are several things. One is that there is some support for approach that we have chosen. For example, there are many people who say that carbon label as such may not be very good idea, but still it is very useful to calculate carbon footprint and use it for different purposes, for internal management, perhaps to include it in multi-criteria label. So this is there is some support, and then there is another group of people who think that the label or this information carbon footprint can be used in different way. For me, what was striking is that there is agreement on certain basics of methodological approach, but then beyond this basic agreement, there are many diverging approaches at national level, at company levels, and for us as sort of regulators at European level, it automatically poses a question: should we start harmonization process? It is necessary. Would it be a good step from us? I don't know the answer yet, but it seems to me that at least some sort of coordination, facilitation of cooperation between member states, including stakeholders from industry, from NGO sectors, consumers, etc., could be useful. So this is something that I bring with myself from this forum.
So on the plan in the next month will be some further meetings, I imagine?
Yes, definitely, yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
With some of the participants here.
Okay.
So we establish good working contacts, and we will continue to work together.
Great. Well, I'm happy to hear that, and I wish you a lot of success.
And I would like to say that the whole event was very well organized. The presentations were excellent, very informative. So I think it was very high quality meeting.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.